Hi everyone, I'm Joy Lindsay, the founder and CEO of Butterfly Dreams and a PhD student at the Yale School of Public Health. In this video, I want to talk about community healing in 3 minutes or less. So first, what is community healing? Now, that question can be answered in different ways depending on who you ask, because community and healing can mean different things to different people. Dr. Kionesco and her colleagues do a wonderful job of explaining this in their article, Community Healing and Resistance Through Storytelling, a framework to address racial trauma in Africana communities. They explain that community can refer to a geographical area like a city or a neighborhood. For example, Butterfly Dreams is based in Newark, New Jersey and Gary, Indiana, and we consider both of those cities our community. In addition to a geographical area, community can also mean a group of people with a common interest or connection, even if they don't live in the same place. An example of this is our online Cocoon Club community, which is made up of about 800 women and girls across the United States. Even though we don't all live in the same city, we all share a common interest of equipping girls to be confident leaders and supporting them in achieving their dreams. So by the way, if you want to read Dr. Kionesco's article on community healing, log into our Cocoon Club community app. I'm going to post this video, the article, and a summary of the article on the community chat feed a little later today. Okay, so back to community healing. Similar to community, people can have different meanings and experiences with healing. Many people consider healing to be a spiritual or a personal journey, and some people primarily think of healing as an individual overcoming suffering on their own. Now, people who practice and study community healing think about healing on both the individual and collective levels. Community healing is often connected to indigenous healing rituals and African-centered healing that balances the spiritual and physical world through cultural practices like drumming, dancing, and storytelling. Now, if you'd like to experience community healing with our Butterfly Dreams team and some of our amazing community partners, please join us this weekend. We are having a community healing circle in Newark, New Jersey on Saturday at the Community Safe Zone. And then on Sunday, we're having a on Sunday, we're having a burning bowl ceremony at Grandma's house in Gary, Indiana. All right, y'all, thank you so much for listening. We hope to see some of you all this weekend.